Hi, this is Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and watch out for Dabu's calendar as always. You're going to have fun with it.
So here we have.
I'll get rid of this 2016 Dabu. Do something. This is a 2017 calendar, please.
Yes, that's why I've woken you up.
2017.
2017's here, buddy.
2017, can't wait for it. Get out of here, 2016. Dabu Ratnani. Love him. And where are you? You come here. Huh? Look at her with her big camera everywhere. Okay? Goodbye, 2016. We are coming
Bye-bye.
with 2017 Dabu Ratnani calendar.
So we have
Ta-da!
Farhan with us today.
I like to give myself great intros, but here's Dabu. This is calendar 2017, and this is the 8th one that we
for
do
you,
together.
my
Yes.
18th calendar.
And I must tell you that now we're going to write down how many times we've done it, because every single year that we might, we start from the beginning. The glass one, the cycle one,
The cow one,
the car.
the jeep one, and so on.
We may be good at images. Dabu's great at images, but math and numbers and memory is something we have to improve on. Trust me. But Dabu, it's a pleasure.
Thank you.
And absolutely, let's get going. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite actor?
You.
Hello, it's winter, it's December, and what is it the time for? Shooting his calendar! The calendar, the only calendar that matters. Watch out.
It's PC on our set today, and it's shooting for my 2017 calendar.
And it's been great. You can see a little sneak peek of what we are shooting on and what's going to happen. Fun, quick, and extremely efficient. I hope you guys like it.
So today we are shooting with none other than Ranveer.
Let's
Good
shoot
to have
it.
you, buddy.
Click, click, snap, snap, kiss, kiss. Let's do it.
So guess who's back in my 2017 calendar? After 8 years, we have a comeback of my original rock star, that. Good to have you back, Baba.
Thanks, Dubs. Yeah, I know it's been a long time.
Long time, and
Yeah,
I think we got some amazing shoot today.
I think so, Dubs. I think you've done it again.
We've done it again.
Like what you did in the Natish. Huh?
Absolutely.
Love you, Dubs.
Love you, Baba. Mwah.
Okay, everybody's dying to see Dabu in a kanji. So today we've shot for the 2017 calendar, Dabu for the first time ever exposing himself.
Hey guys, I'm Abhishek Bachchan,
And I'm
we
Dabu
did-
Ratnani.
in case you didn't know, because it's his handle. But anyway, we're back. Dabu Ratnani 2017. It's always a pleasure to shoot with this brilliant guy, and he's just the best, and I love him. Enjoy the calendar.
So when everyone wakes up for their morning walk to go on the beach and everyone's walking here, what do? We decide
up and
to
decide
wake
to
up and shoot on Juhu Beach for Dabu's calendar. And we've done this only for Dabu. It's awesome. And a lot of people were also watching us, and they're like, what is going
in
on?
my foreground, I had people running, the joggers running in and out, so it was fun. Yeah.
So we've had a very early morning, 5:30 shoot for Dabu. Best.
I love early morning shoots.
Mornings are the best, and especially when you're shooting for his calendar.
Guess who's here with me today?
Hi guys, and guess whose birthday it is? It's Dabu's birthday. Happy
And
birthday to
Manisha's
him
birthday.
and Manisha's birthday.
Come
here. Happy birthday to them. Super lovely, sweet family, and I'm very happy they're shooting with me on their birthday. And I'm shooting for their calendar. Super excited. Watch out for our pics for the 2017 calendar, guys.
Do you see that? That's my 2016 shot, which is going to be replaced by 2017, and it's going to be kick-ass.
Yo, we are shooting for Dabu Ratnani's 2017 calendar. But I would really like to thank you for keeping me in the dark, Dabu, for not telling me what I'm going to do today.
It's really dark.
It's a surprise for you as well as for me.
Guys, guess.
So keep guessing, and I'm going to do the same. And until I find out, as soon as I find out, I will let you know. So this time also, he's going to make me do something really kick-ass. So
Big time.
So stay tuned and watch this space.
Hi, this is Amitabh Bachchan, and I'm working here for Dabu's yearly calendar. And as usual, Dabu has come out with some extraneous ideas, which have made me look rather stupid, but that's what Dabu wanted. I guess that's what he thinks I am. It's such a joy to be working with him.
So there's another surprise in the 2017 calendar, guys. We have a surprise, we have a debut, and it is none other than Hi, Sunny. Welcome to my 2017 calendar.
I'm so excited. You guys, this is proof that if you wait outside somebody's door for 5 years straight, every single day, that persistence does pay. And woo, I'm going to be in the calendar. And I'm so excited. And thank you so much. I'm so excited. I can't wait for everybody to see this shot. It turn out, it's going to turn out so amazing.
So we have a debut today. Whoa, here he is. First time in my calendar. Woo, you know who it is.
Lucky me. So guys, we just wrapped up a super duper shoot with none other than Dabu Ratnani, and the look explains what the shoot is about. Can you guess what it's about? Should we tell them?
I think tell them. Give them a hint.
You gotta have faith.
Time up. Because it's that time of the year again.
It really flies.
I just can't believe we are shooting our next calendar. And what, this is my 10th with
This is
you?
your 10th calendar shot, yes?
Unbelievable.
It's amazing.
Except that I'm just 10 years old, but never mind that. And no points for guessing what we're going to try and do this time. Because we ourselves don't know. Just wait and watch. I can't wait for the music to come on, because one of the highlights of Dabu's shoot is the music. He plays the music and then I just let go.
So that's what we're going to do now.
Yeah.
We're going to play the music and you'll watch the space for what's coming next.